Yes, students, in PT2, syllabus of science is chapter number 2, components of food, in which we will study about what are the components of food are. And next in the chapter number 4, sorting material into groups. Chapter number 5, separation of substances. Chapter number 7, getting to know plants. And next, chapter number 8, body movements. EV topic is purifying water by solar energy, and activities that are there are 4 activities in PT2 that we will cover. The first one is to test the presence of starch and fats in different food items. You in the this chapter you will in the chapter number 2 you will know about the starch and fats. What are these? To show the solid form of water, that is ice, is lighter than liquid form. And third is to study various parts of a flower. It is very interesting topic. We will do this activity in chapter number 7, getting to know plants. And next is activity number 4, to separate a mixture of sand and water. So there is a note that the syllabus of PT1 will be included in PT2. Yes, there another important thing is that you have to also remember the syllabus of PT1. Okay, you have enjoyed your holidays. Now let's concentrate on the studies. Okay, and you will maintain your notebook and you will send me the assignments on time. Okay, I will share an assignment today also if we have covered that topic. Okay, otherwise we will not. Clear? Now we are starting the chapter number 2, components of food. You will start the PT2. Okay, you will just fold a page and then firstly write the PT2 syllabus and then you will start the PT2 syllabus. Okay, so the chapter number 2 is components of food. In the PT1 we discussed about what is food, from where it is coming. That means what are its sources. Okay, that it is obtained from the plant source or animal source. So in this, we have done what is food. Okay, so food, it is a nutritious substance that provides us energy to do work. Okay, and it repairs and also helps in growth and development of the body. Clear? And next is what are the components? How the food it comprises of. Okay, so we have to find. We will learn about the components of food. Clear? So in the kindly open chapter number 2, page number 8. Keep a pencil with you so that there is an important thing you can underline that. Okay. Yes. In the chapter number 1, we made list of the food items that we eat. We also identified food items eaten in different parts of India and marked these on its map. So we studied about what is food and what are its sources. Now next para is a meal could consist of chapati, dal and brinjal curry. So here the word is meal. So what is meal? What is meal? Anyone know? Please raise your hand. Yes, Tanishka.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, meal we take a meal 3 times a day, and it contains a balanced diet and like salad, chapati, rice, and some vegetables.
Okay, very good. So now we will study what is meal. Okay, so it is a portion of food that we take in the breakfast, lunch or dinner. Yes, so our meal consists of 2 or more food items. If you are eating only one thing, it does not it does not mean it is a meal. So meal consists of 2 or more food items. Clear? If you are eating only one thing, you don't say it is a meal. Okay, if it is consists of 2 or more items, then for example, it is given in your book that it could consist of a chapati, dal, and brinjal curry. Okay, if you are only eating a chapati, then it does not make a meal. Okay, so we will write the definition of what is meal. You can also write it on your on your book at the top. Clear? So it is a portion of food. A portion of food eaten at one time as lunch. Sorry, you will write breakfast, lunch, and then dinner. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Yeah. So if in the morning, just 1 minute, I will adjust the camera. Now it is clear. So what is mean? A portion
Yes, it
of
is clear.
food eaten at one time as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Clear? So if we have prantha, curd, and tea in the morning, then it makes a meal. Okay. So and another example that is given in your book, another may be rice, sambar, and a vegetable preparation of lady's finger bhindi. Okay, and it is also example of meal. Yet another example that is given, appam, fish curry, and vegetable. So what is appam? You can also write it on your book with pencil that it is a pancake. Okay, and it is made from the coconut and rice. It is a it belongs to South India. It is just like a pancake that is made from the coconut and rice. Yeah. And the next is activity 1. Our meals usually have at least one item made of some kind of grain. So जो हम meal खाते हैं उसमें कोई ना कोई grain होता ही, जैसे कि हमने rice, wheat. It is a so the next is other items could be a dal or a dish of meat and vegetable. Obviously जो चपाती है वो wheat से बनी है, and then there is you have 2 or more vegetables with it also. ठीक है. And next there is a table 2.1 given, that is some meals of different regions and states. So the first state is Punjab, and the item of grains. You all know that Punjab is famous for which dish? Yes, Harshpreet Singh. Yes, बच्चे.
मैम मक्की की रोटी एंड सरसों का साग.
Very good. मक्की दी रोटी and सरसों का साग. ठीक है. And the item of grain, मक्की. मक्की की रोटी जो किसे बनी है? कौन से? ठीक है. आपने देखा होगा छल्ली है. ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट कॉर्न है जिसको हम बोलते हैं मक्की. And there are also baby corns also. And next is the item of dal, meat. The written in the given table is rajma, that is called the kidney beans. Here. And next vegetable, sarson ka saag. So sarson ka saag, it is mustard leaf curry. And next others that you can also take curd and ghee. Next is Andhra Pradesh. Item of grain is rice, and the item of dal and meat is tur dal and rasam. तुअर दाल जैसे कि अरहर की दाल को बोलते हैं, इट इज पिजन पी. Okay, and rasam. Anyone knows what is rasam? It is a special dish of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, sir, Gunpreet.
Ma'am, charu.
Yes, but वो उसका जो another name है charu. And rasam is, what is rasam? It is a soup. Okay, it is a kind of soup that is prepared by tomato. So it is means it is sweet and sour in taste. You can also write what is rasam. You should know about it. And next vegetable is kundru. So it is found in the South Indian state. Kundru is ivy god. I will write it on the kundru. Ivy god. And next others is buttermilk ghee pickle. You know what is pickle? Yes, Rachit. What is pickle?
Ma'am, achar.
Very good. Pickle is achar. You next we will study the para that it may also include items like curd, buttermilk, and pickles. So some example of meals from different region are given in table 1 that we have done. Select food items you depicted on the map in chapter 1. Add some more meals to the list and enter these in table 2.1. You can also complete this table. There is only one row, that is there you can choose any another state and then fill the following table. Okay, and sometimes we may not really have all this variety in our meals. If we are traveling, we may eat whatever is available on the way. So while we are traveling, so we don't have many options that we can eat this also. So we have to eat what is available on the way. So now there are so many, the Burger King is there, Subway is there, so we don't get variety of food there. Okay, we can't, so we have to eat what is available there. Clear? It may not possible for some of us to eat such a variety of item most of the time. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके मदर ने आपको कहा कि आपने अभी भी दाल खानी है, इन द लंच ऑल्सो, इन द डिनर ऑल्सो. ठीक है, so it is not possible for us to eat dal for 2 or 3 days continuously even. Okay, so you require different a variety of food, or you can eat the same variety of food. Yes, Manyata.
Different variety.
Different variety of food we require. So can you tell me why we need different food items? Anyone? Yes, Prisha. Why we need different food items?
Because they give us different nutrients.
Yes.
And minerals in them.
Because they contain different nutrients. So the next term that we are introducing is the nutrients. Okay. And shall I rub this off? What is meal you have written? Okay. So next is what is nutrient? Anyone know what is nutrient? You can also nutrient. Yes, Tanishka.
The nutrients are the necessary components in the food that are needed by our body to do work and get energy.
Yes, so very good, Kanishka. So nutrients are the substances that are present in the food, okay, and that give us energy for growth, and also it helps in repair of the body. Clear? So you can write the definition. What is nutrient? The substances present in the food present in the food that give us energy for repair and growth or repair and growth of our body. Clear? So you can write it, you can note it down on your notebook, book. At the top of page, there is space, you can write there. The substances present in the food that gives us energy for repair and the growth of our body. Clear? Next, students. So these these on the page number 9, these ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. Okay. So we have studied about ingredients. These are the, what are ingredients? Avni?
Ingredients are the substances present in food which contain nutrients, which are used to cook food.
So ingredients are the substances that are required for making any dish. Okay, we have studied in the chapter number 1. And the major nutrients in our food are named carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins and minerals. Okay, so what are its? You will write it down. What are the major nutrients in our food? So you will write there are the major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. And next is dietary fiber, that we also call roughage. Dietary fibers or roughage. And the next is water. So the first two, the carbohydrates and fats, these are the energy giving foods. It provides us energy to do work. Okay, and the next is protein. It is a bodybuilding food that it helps in building the muscles. So it is bodybuilding food. And the vitamins and minerals are the which type of food? Sorry. Vitamins and minerals are the protective foods. It protects our body from various diseases and infections. So these are called the protective foods. And next is the dietary fibers and roughage. In detail, we will study. Okay, I'm just giving you a short review about these. Okay, carbohydrates and fats. It is the energy giving food. It is bodybuilding. Dietary fibers. These are useful for our body, and it will help in the intestinal. It will help in the proper elimination of waste products. Okay, we eat food and the waste is produced by our body, so it helps in that. Okay, and water, you all know that 70% of our body is composed of water. Clear? So students, I will share the assignment today. Okay, the question in the assignment will be this that we have discussed: what is meal, what is nutrients, what are nutrients, and what are the major nutrients that are present in our food. Clear?